You watch Scandal this week? If you know what Scandal, don't nobody watch this because I'm gonna talk out everything we're going on Scandal. If you have watched Scandal, I want just I really just God, Mr. Shonda Rhimes. I understand that them just lock off the whole of the Thursday and give you, but that does not give you an excuse to just behave like yourself in the scripting. No, me never vlogged last week and I apologize for it and it allowed me up and I will not do it again. There is just one thing that I want to say from last week. One does not simply divorce Melly. You hear me? Melly will bring your child into the earth 3 months early and let that child sit down on an incubator for a month until it is toasted up enough to go into the real world, just to ensure that you are not divorcing her. You don't just divorce Melly. Melly have some baby mother behavior. And no disrespect to baby mother, but you know how some of them stay. Melly go on like the baby mother them. When man have a duck stone when them a walk in a them place of work. Melly go on like the baby mother them will go show up with the slip pull up over our breast. The Louis Vuitton, the fake Louis Vuitton head scarf and something tie up over the setters with the baby upon her hip and the baby nose happen to be running today, so it look extra tragic. That is the type of woman that Melly is acting like right now. Melly is ratchet, and see that stuff pay off because as we speak, you might be smelling a rosy scent coming towards you. That is the smell of Team Wifey showering in unison because they're going to do road wickedly because Team Matey sustained a death blow to the face. All on walk up and down and talk about no like Matey and people are thief people man when no say Olivia is trying to thief Melly man. But Melly come back here for make her know say she have the wine where she going to use take back her honor man. Because right now Melly is doing some things with Fitz in the Oval Office that we have only ever seen Olivia and Fitz do. Whenever still Fitz and Melly kiss before, welcome. Is a brand new world. And you see, because she's the wife, she don't have to hide and do it. She don't have to go over in the curtain in the dust bunny. If you got activate up her allergies, go do it. She do it right in the big like the presidential seal where the big camera will always look on Fitz and Olivia where they might hide from. Right under that camera, them can do it. Fitz, why you kill Verna? Why you kill Verna? Me and you know say Verna did a go dead anyway. She never did actually or live to tell the story because Verna did there right on the edge of the dead. Why you do it? Fitz, you are not a bad man. From what them realize say I try to get bass in your voice. Fitz, you are a baby. You are not a bad man. We took it upon ourselves to do the dirty work for you. We make up our mind say we are gonna stuff ballot for you. We are gonna go over the other side, go fight up other constituents and stuff to make sure so them vote for you. We are gonna cook the curry with the island must vote several times on our behalf in there. Fitz, you don't have to do any of these things. Fitz, you're a good guy. You are my president. Why are you dipping up your hand? And you know what is the worst thing? And we have to go fix it. It's like I come back to we, the gladiators in suits who are on Twitter every Thursday, shutting it down, talking about your life and your strong body. We are gonna fix. Oh, Olivia, go fix this. The fact that you kill people. Oh, you expect Olivia to fix it, and then you broke the girl heart. Olivia and Melly and Doyle and Cyrus and Verna had to come together to stuff ballot so that we could make you into the president of the United States of America because the campaign strategy was not that strong and people didn't like you in defiance. So we stuffed the ballot them in defiance and we got you into the presidency. In return for this, you kill off Verna. You can't say nothing to Doyle because Doyle had a real Dan Gargan. We need to get Doyle killed. I'm sick and tired of Doyle. And Olivia Pope has taught me that it's okay to kill people to get rid of them. And I don't want Huck to do the killing, one other guy. Because right now I'm ready to start like try wash up Huck's soul and them something. And it's go hard for try ask forgiveness for the things he has done if he continue killing people. So no more killing of people for Huck. You can't send on to Cyrus because Cyrus are the next murderer come up now. First of all, Cyrus wants you dead because him feels like him should have been the president. Cyrus, baby, I love you. You don't have presidential face. You don't have presidential personality either. Please see Obama and then come back to us. Yo, dash to Olivia, but you hug up with Melly. Olivia, your mama prize white for? Like she make out of something different from everybody else? Like she did tell us that she was an angel? Me tell us that one thing that episode that teach me, you know, dry eye woman for the win. Because you don't know say Melly dry eye. You don't know say Melly dry eye. Melly will forge your signature, she will arrange a murder because me sure say she did it in part like the killing there because she did all of a sudden get too concerned about Fitz not going out right before the man gets shot. At the same way Cyrus did start call the man and tell him don't go in the courtroom right when him did have the man line up for shot him. So me not really trust her right now. Melly roll up on Fitz and make Fitz know that she's here for the wardrobe, the travel, And she want to run for president afterwards. As she said, Hillary Clinton. Olivia try to come to him with all type of emotion and just a cry for no reason. All of them something that she want painful, devastating, non-functional, heart-wrenching lover. Look how everybody gonna find dysfunctional love affair because Olivia Pope have one. Watch how the older owner gonna find love affair will now work because Olivia have one. Olivia come up to him with all of this emotion. So after the man turned himself into a bad guy, him go right back to old team dry eye. Same thing for the redhead girl with the thin lip who working at Olivia office. Me know her name is Abby, but I don't business. The girl going at the man house, go rocks off the man, thief the something, come back at the office. When the man come at the office, come draw up and she see a man go call down, crawl upon the man. How the man cause her emotional turmoil when she knows she have something in her bosom. And sad to say, this is the one time that I've ever liked Abby because she finally something good for the team. Quinn. Nobody cares about you. Me tired for tell you this. We don't care about your past life, we barely care about your future life. The only reason that we pay attention to you is because Olivia introduced it to us in the first episode and that gave us the impression that something big was going to happen with you. However, every week you come here and prove to us that you are of no importance whatsoever because the only thing that you're doing is harassing up and offering money to kill people. Huck don't kill people for money, he will kill people for free. Huck, have the common decency to accept the little money. No, it look worse when you kill people for fun. Quinn, I saw your previous life. Your apartment was mediocre at best. Please be happy with what you have now and stop asking these stupid questions. If you keep this up, we are not going to allow you to have the relationship with Harrison that we see budding in the wings. Olivia, find a new man. Honestly, find a new man. I'm on feet, team all it, and when the music start playing, I cry and all them type of something. Yeah, all them something. Over Olivia, him not going anywhere. And even if him not going for right now, so please go and find a man. Your hair is laid like the Sabbath. The high neck shirt, them way you are wear, I give you all type of classic, clean look, all of them something there. The swingy pants and the light colors I work for you. Go and find a next man. Not Addison because we don't really like him. Him not go with your color scheme and like him not have no swag and you give the man back him granny ring 2 times. You can't really give a man him granny ring 2 times. I expect the man to come back. Like even people have a little shame bush, the bush itself have a bun down. Like find a next man. You see the scene the way you're swimming in the water, just come up one time and just flash back the remi so like yaki. Just do so and just find a next man because we don't really know what Fitz are doing my Melly over there. Reconcile pass up with them 2 invisible children when nobody ever say. You know notice say Melly don't plan to change America, baby. Fair presidential and is too cute for nappy. Is there anything else that I need? Doyle, Fitz, Edison. Apparently plenty of people is coming to get murdered now. Me no know how we could actually no, that's it. Fitz, get your act together. Olivia, start dating.